Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's your girl Nekeisha. Ew, that's not what I say.
And whatever.
Ew. Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And today I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, once again, I'm not alone. I'm here with Fifi. And she just broke my couch. Okay. Fifi. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Fifi, her second best friend. Huh.
I'm not gonna say second.
I'm gonna say friend.
I'm gonna say she's one of my best friends. Because I'm not gonna put numbers on nobody. So, go ahead and introduce yourself. Like, what's your Instagrams, your Snapchat, like all of that.
So, my name is Fifi, and you guys can follow me at your girl _Fi on Instagram and Snapchat. Queen Fi.
Period. 122 333.
Not that.
4.
Not that. But
Okay.
yeah.
So anyway, today we're gonna have a little girl talk or whatever, and we're gonna be telling you guys how to tell if a guy likes you. So if you didn't know, you couldn't tell, we're gonna tell you. Okay. So you wanna start off with the first two? We got a list. It's kind of sitting right here. We're just gonna leave it out of the video. Y'all don't need to see the list.
Alright, so number one,
One.
when he stares at you.
Yes. That's
No.
like, yeah.
It's not really like just staring, it's like a look. You know?
Yeah.
Like, and it's like sometimes you see it or other times you don't. So it's just like
Yeah.
it's that.
Yeah, it's just like that look, and you just like, why is he
And
staring at me? If you
right.
if you ask yourself that,
You just
you know. That's
Right.
when you know.
it's just like it's not even like the way it's not even like right then and there. You just know that he's interested. Like not even just the I like you know is the interested. That's like the first sign.
Yeah.
Like the first
And
sign.
let me tell you something. If he's not interested, he's not gonna look. He's probably gonna glance and then look away. But if he's interested, he's gonna stare. You're gonna be like, why is he looking at me? And like every time you look, he's gonna be looking.
Yeah.
So yeah. That's usually how it starts. That's how everything usually starts.
Okay.
Tip number 2. Yeah. He's always texting you.
Always.
Like double, triple. like
you know, a regular friend will just like they wouldn't even text you first. Okay.
Yeah.
That's the thing. A regular friend, a regular guy friend, ain't gonna text you every day. The first person, like you know, it's like once in a while, you know. But this guy
always texting you.
Like you see that.
Like every time you get a notification, one of them is him.
It's him.
That type of thing.
It's him, and it don't always start off with a hey. It's what's up with you?
What you doing? How you been? Even though it's been like a day.
Exactly.
Or like.
It's been like a minute.
Yeah, let's say he texts you like in the morning and you don't reply, and he texts you again and he's just like, what's up? And you're just like, I ignored you. Why are you texting me again?
Right.
That's how you know. You should probably give him attention if you like him back. But if you don't reply.
Never.
You can't reply. Just be like, I don't like you like that.
Don't do what I do.
Don't be like Fifi. Be like Nekeisha. Third tip.
He gives you that. Oh, well, wait. No, look. He's very touchy.
Oh yeah.
He's very touchy.
He's gonna be like, hey girl, like,
and then,
your hair looks so
like,
nice.
It just follows with the look. It's not even your hair is nice. It's like the thighs.
Yeah. Like if y'all laughing, he'd be like, yeah. Like that.
Funny.
Yeah. He always asks for a hug. Like, can I get a hug?
He's just always touchy.
No, you should not get a hug.
He's always touchy. Like touchiness is like a second sign of
and compliments too. We forgot that. When he gives you compliments like
all the time. Remember, a regular friend, they ain't gonna give you all that confident. Bro.
Yeah,
they gonna be like, yes,
ew.
you're a bad bitch. Also,
no. Yeah, exactly.
Right. No.
A real guy friend, he's just gonna be like, you think you cute?
Right.
Yes, I do.
Yeah. He's gonna be like.
You're gonna be like, you look good today.
You look beautiful, mom.
Like, where you going later? Let me take you out.
Who's that?
Right, it's
like
me.
that must be my girl.
It's not your
like
girl.
it's always that little compliment.
Yeah, and then
they
sly things too, and they try to compliment.
It's just wedges right in.
Yeah,
it's just like
if he says he likes your edges,
he don't though. He don't though. He don't though.
He's in love.
Like
number, what is this? 5?
4,
Oh,
5.
4.
4. Yeah, 4.
4. Yeah.
Social media.
Yes.
So
This
active
is the
on
one.
social media, like
every time you post something, he's watching it, he's liking it, he's laughing at it on Facebook. Every time you share something, he's laughing at it.
Every time you on Snapchat and you post that one video, he's like,
zoop, to go watch it, say like, something about it.
Bro, it could be something stupid.
Whoop, and he's
you mad stupid.
Like, you mad funny, like nobody asked you.
Number 6.
No, 5.
We have 5?
Yeah, it's 5.
5. Yeah, I can't count.
Me either. I lost track.
FaceTime.
Yes, and phone calls.
Like if you don't get the text, you won't get the call.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be
like even especially when it's like one of your guy friends.
Mm-hmm.
Especially when it's one of your guy friends. Like you was already their friend. Like they already know you.
Yeah.
So it's just gonna be like you already noticed the steps.
Yeah.
You noticed the first 5 steps.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's calling you.
Like FaceTime, phone calls. It could be, especially if it's in like the daytime.
Right.
And he's like, "Oh, what are you doing? Why are you calling me in the daytime?"
I'm sleeping.
Exactly.
I'm sleeping.
Like at night. She's like, "Oh, what you doing?"
And then,
like stuff like that.
And then it's just like sometimes it's nice, but then other times it's just like
annoying.
I don't want to talk to you.
I'm just like,
I don't want to talk on the phone.
Did I tell you to call me? I didn't.
No.
So why are you calling me? Don't do that.
Me and phone calls. If y'all know me and phone calls, like
unless I want to talk to you.
Not even unless I want to talk to you. If I have something to talk to you about, because there would be times I'm on the phone, Nekeisha knows, and I'm just like, so do we hang up? Like after the whole conversation we just had, and I'm just like.
But I'm okay with silence though, so I just be there.
Unless it's like the comfortable silence.
This is number 6. This is step number 6.
The link.
Yes.
The link.
Always wants to link.
Link.
I didn't say I wanted to see you. Did I say I wanted to see? Did you say you wanted to see?
No.
Oh, okay. So why is he asking to link?
Like
because he likes you.
Because he likes you. Sometimes it's okay because like you're like. You kind of have interest in the dude, so it's like, let me go.
Especially if you're single, girl, have fun. You know, if you're not single, don't text him if he likes you. Don't be like Fifi. Be like Nekeisha. And just dub everybody. If he likes you, he has interest in you, don't entertain the whole link up situation. Don't go link him. The most you can probably do is, if he compliments you, say thank you and that's it. But if you're single, like Miss Fifi over here, you better go to every link.
I'm just like, what? I'm speechless.
That was funny, wasn't it? Number 7. This is my favorite number, guys. What my lucky number?
Gives you extra attention.
Like he could be like.
This is probably the only one that I like.
Yeah, the straight up. Straight up. Like he could be like the friendly type to like all the girls, but you just be the main one.
Like let me tell you why this is my favorite one too, because I love attention. So like certain amount.
Well, I don't like attention. I like affection.
There you go.
There it is. That's the word.
This is my favorite one though because like it just lets you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes it lets you know. It's like you over here like he probably a player. He probably got a side chick. But at the end of the day, if you're the one getting the most attention, the most affection.
But here's the thing. This is only if you're single. Only if you have a man and he's friendly, but you're still the one getting the main attention. That's not cute.
It's not cute.
That's not cute. That's not cute. So don't listen to this. Oh, he can do this, that, and the third. But at the end of the day, he come up to me. That's not cute, sweetheart. At the end of the day, it should only be you, and that's it.
That's it.
Period. End of story.
End of story.
But if you're not together, then it's different. You could be like, oh, he's flirting with y'all, but he don't like y'all for real. He like me. But then when y'all get together, all that friendliness gotta be cut off. And if you can't cut it off, you cut him off. Period.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Finds ways to talk to you.
Yeah, finds ways to talk to you.
No, this step is like, it's like all in one.
Yeah.
It's like all in one.
He's just gonna like, try. This is like everything we just said in one.
But this could also be said for girls too, because like, it's like the little things. Like you just don't know what to say, and you're just finding anything. Like, I saw the train go down the street.
People be like, oh really? That's cool.
That's nice.
That's a really awkward conversation. Don't do that. Don't be like Fifi. This whole video is just don't be like Fifi.
The point is, he will find something to talk to you, even if there's nothing to talk. Like, for an example.
Oh, what now? What you gonna say?
For example. Please, God, don't make him be watching this.
He's not gonna watch it.
Anyway,
he don't watch it.
For example, like, she went on a date to the movies.
And what happened?
Basically, I couldn't find anything to say to do. Like, there was no fucking connection.
There was no connection.
There was nothing.
That's nothing, girl. If you're not still in that vibe, leave the vibe.
In fact, I was trying, but you could also see that he was trying too. So it was just like awkward. But anyway.
But that's cute. If y'all both trying, eventually, because when two people are just awkward and shy, it's gonna take a while to get comfortable. Like, don't be like Fifi. That's all I have to say.
This whole video is gonna be like, don't be like me.
Yeah,
mind you, I'm not even like me. But the point is, the guy kept on trying to find something to talk about, even if they didn't have interest in the movie. Just finding something to talk about,
and that's all that matters. If he's showing interest, if he's showing effort, and you usually can tell when someone is interested. You're usually able to tell because it's pretty. Because
basically, it's just they're trying.
And guys,
if you like forget every other step, just remember this step, which is gonna be probably step 9, step 10. The point is, they're trying. Trying. They're trying to get your attention, your affection. Like, they're just trying to be around you as much as possible. They don't want to seem greedy. They don't want to seem too attached. But they're trying. So honestly, that's really
and to be honest, I guess this could be like tip number 10. I don't know. But guys, it's very simple to tell when a guy likes you because they don't know how to they're not like girls where we're like able to hide it and we're like complicated and stuff like that. Guys are very weird. I'm not gonna say stupid, but they just be there. Like, they're very open. They just be like, I like you. Like, it's very easy to tell. That's all I can say.
Not really as much as like the I like you, because they ain't gonna say that.
Yeah, they're not gonna say that. But you can usually able to I'm usually able to tell. I'd be like, yeah, he like her. And we're not even gonna get technical and start getting into body language, because I could keep going forever and ever and ever, because I was studying all of this in like high school. I used to be on Google researching it. I told all my friends, I'm like, he like her, she like him, and she like him and her, him.
Not gonna lie to you, and like the next like couple weeks they got to the people that she was talking about got together, and I was just over here like, what? Yeah,
I be knowing it because
it was so obvious. Honestly, in high school it was so obvious.
Yeah.
In high school it was really obvious. Because I think they so dumb.
Exactly, they so dumb. High school was something else, but we're in college. Let's not even talk about high school anymore.
That's another video.
And in college it's even better. They just gonna tell you straight up. They just gonna come talk to you. Because at this point in college, nobody cares. Let me tell you that.
See, when I started,
nobody cares.
Legit, the dudes in my class, they was just like, listen, ain't nobody got time for those high school shit.
Right.
I'm gonna tell you.
Right. I'm like, I like you.
And I was over here like,
and I was like, huh? You like me? You sure?
Yeah.
Me.
But y'all see what I gotta do with?
Are you sure it's me? Are you talking to her? Is it me? Alright, I'm done. So anyway, I think this will wrap up the video because we're gonna make another one right after.
Alright.
So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you were entertained. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow Fifi on all her social medias. There will be links in the description down below. Once again, don't forget to subscribe because it's free. And I'll see you all in my next.
I got time to be paying for this.
Bye. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.